Here's how to change letters from lowercase to uppercase in Microsoft Excel. Making uppercase text in Excel. Right-click the column and select Insert. Type equals UPPER and cell into the first cell of the new column. This formula will convert all lowercase letters into uppercase. Press Enter. Select the first cell of the temporary column. This will have the changed name. Drag at the bottom right corner of the cell. This shortcut will fill down the formula in the rest of the column. To only capitalize the first letter of each name or word, use proper instead. Press Enter. Copy the entire column. Right-click the first cell of the original column. Select Paste Values. The new names will be pasted without the underlying formulas. Delete the temporary column. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.